So Alex, now we have the Recover Tactical PIX. What's your feedback?
It is a full-blown PCC, pistol carbine, pistol caliber carbine. You can't say anything else. It has an AR buffer tube that I would love to have been collapsible or telescopic in the best case. It is adjustable, but it's not collapsible fully. It's very sturdy. Like, you have a full substitute for Heckler & Koch UNP. The UMP, for example, or the AC9s and whatnots, well, that's polymer. Some of the newer ones are alloy. The older ones are steel. But, you know, we had in the middle of the, like, mid-2000s, we had like all these polymer submachine guns and pistol caliber carbines, and it basically fits right into. I like the safety. So, double checking. And then let's reset.
Very got a nice window breaker in the front.
Yeah. So it is a full PCC minus, and that's what I hate, is it has no bolt release. Why didn't you guys transition the standard bolt release from the Glock somewhere onto here? I see that likely at some point you will do that. I see the spaces, the pre-machined spaces here in the shape, that at some point you guys will do that. But why didn't you do it before release? Because I'm missing that a lot. For example, I'm sighting in my sights. So, sighting in my sights, right? I have a mag in here. Now I need a couple of shots more than I expected. Now my bolt is on bolt, my slide is on slide catch, right? Not a bolt, slide. So, and now, but I believe I'm there. I want to have an extra round now. Just put it in, slap the slide, and then, you know, just see if I'm now finished with adjusting. No, I can't do that. I need to take out the magazine, put another bullet in here, put the magazine in, and then charge it like a standard carbine. Reminds me a little bit of the Yugo AKs that had a bolt catch without a release.
So maybe some minor technicality, but what's your overall thinking on the performance?
Very sturdy, very good, very sturdy. Again, so the only two flaws that I have is no bolt release, and stock is not collapsible. But you can completely remove it. Like, you can put on whatever stock you like. For example, now taking this stock off, you can't holster it, I believe, like the other thing, or can you? I believe no. But you can have it on the sling under your coat, for example. When you are close protection, or if you're a pilot or whatnot, have it on a, you know, in your emergency kit. But a collapsible stock or a telescopic stock, much like Flux Defense or like the HK MP5s, the classic ones, that would be much appreciated, an option for it. There are options that you can convert it to, though. Like, you can have, you can buy stocks that you can put in the same thread here, and they are telescopic. Other than that, very sturdy, very nice. It is a full substitute for a submachine gun with an 18C Glock in there, or for a pistol caliber carbine.
Thank you very much. We will find a good place to donate it to.
Okay, so we've got another model one, and for me this one is better if you want to change your Glock into, let's say, PCC very quick. I like it. It's plastic, so it's not heavy. It's got good stock. You can easily adjust it to your needs. I'm the left-handed, so if you are right-handed, you get all the manipulars here, so you can load it. Of course, you can, if you will be able to change it, and you will. So you've got extra mag here. For me, that one is bigger but better, and I love it. We shot a lot from this one, and you can put all the Glocks inside. So what you will need, if you want to have your PCC cheap, and fast, and you don't want to buy another weapon, why not? Why not?
Plus a nice window breaker in the front.
Yeah, of course. I thought the difference is like you think always that the Glock is here, but it's here in this area, in this section. You have to used to it, but all the trigger, the safety, everything is going, it's working. Why not? Yeah, definitely. If I wanted to have PCC quick, I will buy it. Definitely.
Thank you for your feedback.